In this video I want to make an iPad cover with you. This is a faux leather, nice and pink. I'm gonna use this for my guide. I want to make a pocket in the outside so you can put here something, some notes or some maybe charger. You can put this in there, and good to make a pencil pocket. So let's make the pattern first. And this one is maybe 26, no, 27, yes. And the pocket, maybe pocket 21 in wide, and maybe I want to make really wide this one, so I need to 19 centimeters in if I turn it, maybe 3 centimeters. Right now I'm making 21. So for the first step I'm gonna sew my tag somewhere here. So this goes together. Well, I can't pin it, so I'm gonna use those clips. This one. And this. I want to fold this edge like this. I'm gonna sew the pocket to this side. This will be the front side. Now I'm gonna stitch those. So let's now turn it and look how it came out. Need to put it. Let's see how it fits in here. Well, it's going really nice in here. Like the pocket, you can put here the pencil. I can put here maybe a fabric bow, you can tie it. Maybe I need to try this. If it's gonna fall out, but if you hold it, it's really nice and soft. Maybe one day I will try to put zipper over here. It will be option, but right now it's looking good.